Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a link for OneDrive files shared with you, so you can open them directly in the Excel desktop app instead of the browser. Let's get started. Right-click anywhere on your desktop and choose New Shortcut from the menu. Copy the Excel program location. You can copy it from the description box. Now, copy the link of the shared file and place it one space after the application location link. Click on Next and type the name of your shortcut. Then click on Finish. That's it. A shortcut is now created on your desktop. When you double-click it, the file will open directly in the Excel desktop app without needing to go through OneDrive in the browser.